for you sooner. Soon as I met you, I was tuning. All my friends shooting for a future. I'll be giving all my loving to you. Couldn't have for you sooner.
So guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Blessing. In case you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Blessing. Welcome to my family. Please subscribe. Okay, look at the first thing that I brought out from the pack. This is for Zara. This one is for Zara. So let's open that. It's a dress or so. Yes, I bought it for Zara. Expression is everything, guys. It's so sweet. So I bought this little cute dress. Wow, this looks so beautiful. Oh my god, this even looks beautiful more than it looks on camera. On TEMU site, this is so beautiful, right? Yes, wow, this is so beautiful. Okay, so I got this cloth jar, and they have this little thing. You have this little thing, as you can see. You have this little thing that you can you just have to push this stuff that is here, and then you get to put your stuff. Let me wear it for you. Wear with clothes. Oh my god, this girl can be so dramatic. So this is what the dress looks like on Zara. This is what it look. Man, stand. This is what it looks like on Zara. This is so beautiful, right? If she didn't wear this clothes, I won't be able to make my video. I just have to obey and wear her the clothes, right? But it looks pretty. Just look at her clothes. Yeah. Well, this is so pretty. It looks so portable. Like, you have this charger, and it comes with a USB head. It's already inbuilt charger. Not like the one that you have to plug in. You already come with the wire. You just have to plug it into a USB, right? Don't know if you guys can. Like I said, I bought random stuff. So wow, this is. I think I going to be this to be woody. Like, oh my god. So I bought this mini toy. I used to have this when I was a kid. So I saw it on TEMU. I decided to buy it for my son. Nice. So I bought this little um frame. This little frame that said Bible emergency numbers. Like, this is so powerful. I love. Let me see if there's any song that I love. I love Psalm 91 so much. I love Psalm 91, Psalm 34, Psalm 23. Yeah, that's my go-to psalm. That's Psalm 91. Oh my god, I love it so much. And you have all the like your mood or whatever, like stress, worried, lonely, disappointed, bitter, sin, discouraged, losing hope, sick, sad, in danger, scared, lacking faith, negative, broke, betrayed, hurt. Like how all these things you need just for you to just open up to the verse and then pray with it. Like, this is very nice. So, and you can frame it. That's one thing that I love so much. I'll just frame it and put it close to my bedside. Right? Okay. Wow, it's 2 in 1. I didn't even like it's 2 in 1. Right? It says, good morning, this is God. I will be good morning, this is God. I will be handling all your problems today. I will not need your help. So have a great day. Wow, this is so nice. Like, this is that. Good morning, this is good. I will be handling all your problems today. I will not need your help. So have a great day. Wow, this is so nice, right? I don't have makeup mirror. I only have mirror that comes with my makeup table and all of that. I don't have particular makeup mirror, like mini mirror that I can carry up and down. I don't have it. So this one was quite cheap. I think it was €3 something. Yes. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Guys, this is so beautiful. Oh my god. And they have this little like touch screen Wow, I didn't expect that to turn on so fast. Oh my god. I have to like three. Wow, this is so cool. This is quite affordable. The packaging is very nice. You can see it comes with this bubble wrap. And so I bought this little tiny stuff for in case when I'm making a video, maybe I'm making food. Like, I make a lot of cooking videos, right? But not like a professional cooking video. I just make a lot of videos when I'm cooking, right? So I can just use this to arrange my seasoning and what I'm going to be using. It's working. So I don't know if this is for separating egg from the yolk because it looks like it. But I actually bought it for jollof rice. Like when I'm making jollof, I can use it to like. So I bought this. It's microwave cover. Wow, easy, very easy. Right, look, and this is very huge. So that's all for today's video. And I know this video is so random and Zara is all over the place, but just manage it, right? Manage it. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.